is ENGWE E26. I recently got this. E26 is 26-inch wheel, 4-inch thick. What comes in the box, the bike, the battery charger, assembly tools, pedals, and the user manual. The box was very well packed. It was heavy. I almost needed 2 people to carry the box. Well made, well packed. Nothing was damaged when I opened it, so it's incredible. I also included on the video the specs. The battery gives you 87 miles, Shimano gears. It can carry up to 300 and something pounds. The rider's height could be up to 6'7". You can read the specs. The wheel is 26 inches and 4-inch thick. So it was very well packed, and nothing was broken. It came very well. This is the complete bike. As you can see, it's got everything. It's got mudguards, lights, and the brake lights. When you brake, it lights up. The front light is very bright. The brand is ENGWE. And as you can see, it was very well packed. Nothing was scratched, nothing was broken. Previously, I had a bike like this, a smaller bike. It was very well packed also, and it came. It didn't give me any problems. Okay, it's a wide seat. It didn't give me any problem. So I decided to get a bigger bike. And now this is for long distance. 87 miles. I can go to beach from Orlando and come back almost. And pedaling is very easy. Disc brakes and hydraulic disc brakes. You have a rack, that you can carry up to 25 kilos. These are some of the specs again. I must mention that ENGWE is a Chinese company, but this was shipped out of California, and it came in 3-4 days. So that was very nice. Now here I am assembling the bike. There was not a whole lot to do, but you have to be careful when you're assembling this bike because details matter. Which way the wires go. It was all it was all very well done. But you had to still be careful. Like I said, all the tools came, including to put the pedals on. So that was I like that. And I can also use that for long distance when I'm going. These tools, they came in a little bag, so I can use them. The battery is kind of very heavy, but remember, it will give you 87 miles. So this is the complete bike. The speedometer, the meter, what is it? The display, it gives you very good display. Here's the completed bike. Okay, so Shimano 7-speed gears. Changing is pretty easy. The display is it's color display, very well lit, well done. The seats are very comfortable. The rack can carry up to 25 kilos. Like I said, disc brakes front and back. The light is very bright. The handle bag, I bought that separately. So overall, ENGWE is a very good mark, and it's a Chinese company, comes from California, like I said earlier. Thank you for watching.